Dear students, now we are going to do the exercises given in Unit 8, that is the pronoun. You have already learnt what are personal pronouns and reflexive pronouns. Let's do the exercises related to kinds of pronouns given on page number 28. Your first exercise is fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. Look at the house, how dash burns. Now, first of all, you have to find out the subject for which you have to use the pronoun. Here you have to use the pronoun for the house. You know the house is a non-living thing, so we'll add it here, how it burns. Dash, I'm sorry if dash hurt dash. Now you know am word is given to you and we always use am with I. I am sorry if I have hurt you. Obviously, you are talking to this person who is standing in front of you. So we will use the second person here. Now girls, as you can see a comma after girls, that means we are talking to these girls. So we'll write, you must not get excited. The teacher told Mohan that, now Mohan is a boy. So we'll write he here. He should obey whom? Teacher. Teacher could be male or female. So we can write him or her. Next is dash like Meena because dash feel, dash can trust dash. Like. Now you know the verb is like. So obviously here we can use either I or we. We or I like Meena because I or we feel, I or we can trust Meena. Meena is a girl, so we will add her here. This was your exercise 1. Let's move to exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with reflexive or emphasizing pronouns. I wash dash when I get up in the morning. You know your subject is I, and for I we have a pronoun myself. I wash myself when I get up in the morning. The horse has heard dash. The horse. Now the horse is an animal. For animals we use pronoun it. So we'll use itself here. He dash went to see the prisoner. He'll be changed into himself. So he himself went to see the prisoner. She'll be changed into herself. She herself doesn't remember anything about the episode. Rita. After Rita, there's a comma. That means we are talking to Rita. You hurt. Now Rita is a singular. So we'll write yourself here. We often deceive dash. We is your plural, so we'll add ourselves, selves. The thieves, for thieves, use the pronoun they, so we'll write themselves here. The boys head dash to the cake. The boys, plural, and for the boys, if we want to use any personal pronoun, we'll use they. So here it will come themselves. Pinky. Pinky is a girl, feminine noun. So for Pinky we'll use the pronoun she, and for she when we have to write any reflexive or emphasizing pronoun, we turn any feminine pronoun into herself. You, yourselves or yourself wanted this. That's all for exercise 2. Bye bye. Have a nice day.